Hey friends, welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story. Hi, I'm Lena. Last week, I went to a new part of the city to meet my cousin. I took the train, but when I got off, I wasn't sure where to go. I checked my phone, but the GPS wasn't working. I walked around for 20 minutes trying to find the café. I asked a man on the street for help. He didn't speak English, but he smiled and pointed anyway. I followed his directions, but ended up in the wrong place. I started to feel frustrated and tired. Finally, I saw a small bookstore. I went inside and asked the young woman at the counter. She spoke perfect English and gave me clear directions. Turn left at the corner, then walk 2 blocks. The cafe is next to a bakery. I thanked her and followed the instructions. 5 minutes later, I was there. My cousin was waiting with a big smile. I told her the whole story, and we both laughed. It wasn't the morning I planned, but now I know the area better.
Words and phrases.
Went to meet. This phrase means to go to a specific place to see and talk to someone. It is the past tense of go to meet. Example: I went to meet my friend at the coffee shop. Got off. This means you left a bus, train, or other kind of transportation. It is the past tense of get off. Example: we got off the bus at the next stop. Walked around. This phrase means to walk in a place, usually without a specific plan or destination. Example: we walked around the city all afternoon. Corner. A corner is the point or area where 2 lines, streets, or walls meet. Example: the post office is on the corner of Main Street and Oak Avenue.
Frustrated. Frustrated means feeling annoyed or upset because you can't do or change something. Example: I felt frustrated because I couldn't solve the puzzle.
Directions. Directions tell you how to get to a place, like which way to go, when to turn, or how far to walk or drive. Example: can you give me directions to the library? I'm lost. Instructions. Instructions are steps or directions that tell you how to do something. Example: follow the instructions to build the new chair. Block. In a city, a block is the space between 2 streets. When you walk 1 block, you go from 1 street to the next. Example: turn left at the corner, then walk 2 blocks. Cousin. A cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle. You and your cousin have the same grandparents. Example: my cousin, Maya, and I are the same age. We always play together at family parties.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.